Okay, let's start by creating a pattern to see how this one works. And here I have created a layout with two images, one left and one right, and I may put it all in a group, and within the group I have two columns, and then I have the image in the first column and then some paragraphs in the second column, and the opposite in the other one. If I would like to create a pattern out of this one, well, then what you actually can do is that you don't actually need to go to the site editor and create a new pattern. You can do that, but you can click here and then you can actually go directly to create a pattern. So if I select this one, I need to name my pattern, and I call this left, right, maybe. And then I can set up specific categories. And there are some pre-made categories, but if you would like to have a specific category for my theme, then you can use that one, and then it will put this into this category. There is a button down here that says synced, and if you keep it as it is, then it will be synced, and that means that everywhere you use this pattern, it will look exactly the same. So that means if I change something, then it will change everywhere. So if I keep it like this and then click add, then now if I add this block again down here, I have the left right here, and now how can I add these patterns then? Well, when you click on the plus sign, you have patterns here, and now you have the patterns from my theme, and then I can add it here, and I can add it again, and now I have them 3 times. So what was this synced history then? Well, if I go here and say that, yeah, I would like to edit this one, then if I replace this image with something else, let's grab this one, and now if I save this one and go back, well, let's go back here, and no, it was the About Us page, sorry. Let's go here. Now you see that they all have this new image. What you can do with the pattern is that if I grab this pattern, then you could deconnect it from, you can detach it from the normal patterns. And that means that if I detach this, well, now this is a normal group. So if I look here, I will see that now I detach this one, so now I can change the images and I can change the text and whatever, and it will not be the same as the other ones. So if I don't set it to be synced, well, then it will add normal blocks into the page, and then you can change it. So if you would like to have something that is a layout more, then you don't have it synced, because then you get the base things, and then it's a lot easier to exchange the images and the text or whatever. If you would like to have this should actually be the same on a lot of pages, well, then it should be a synced pattern.